In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 521 web server is down. This one can be alarming to see, since it makes it sound like your entire server has crashed. But the good news is that in most cases, your server is actually fine, and this is something you can usually track down and fix within a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher on what's actually happening. Cloudflare sits in front of your website, and when a visitor tries to reach your site, Cloudflare attempts to make a connection to your own server, called the origin, to pull the page. Error 521 means Cloudflare reached out to your server and got refused, meaning something on your server's end actively rejected the connection, rather than your server simply being slow or unreachable. Before changing anything, it's worth doing a quick 1-minute check to figure out exactly which side the problem is actually on. Head into your Cloudflare dashboard, log in, go to DNS, find your domain's main A record, and click the orange cloud icon next to it to switch it to gray, meaning DNS only. Wait about a minute for that to take effect, then try loading your site in a private browsing window. If the site loads fine this way, your server itself is healthy, and the problem is specifically happening between Cloudflare and your server, so you'll want to focus on the firewall and SSL checks coming up. If it still fails, even with Cloudflare out of the picture, your web server genuinely isn't running, and you'll want to focus on getting it back online first. Either way, remember to switch that cloud icon back to orange once you're done testing. If your test pointed to the server itself being down, your first move is to check with your hosting provider or log into your server directly and confirm the web server software, like Apache or Nginx, is actually running. Sometimes this crashes or gets stopped after an update, a resource spike, or routine maintenance, and simply restarting it clears the error immediately. While you're in there, take a look at your server's error logs around the time the issue started, since a crash or a resource problem, like running out of memory, usually leaves a clear trail explaining exactly what went wrong. If your test showed the server was fine on its own, the next most common cause is your server's firewall or security software blocking Cloudflare's own requests. This happens because Cloudflare sits between your visitors and your server, so from your server's point of view, every request looks like it's coming from Cloudflare's IP addresses rather than the actual visitor. If your firewall doesn't recognize those addresses as trusted, it treats them as suspicious and blocks them outright. The fix here is to log into your server or hosting control panel, find your firewall settings, and add Cloudflare's published IP ranges to your allowed list, which you can find directly on Cloudflare's own documentation site. Next, check your SSL.TLS encryption mode inside Cloudflare, under SSL.TLS, then Overview. If it's set to full or full strict, your server needs to actually have a valid SSL certificate installed and be able to accept encrypted connections. If it doesn't, Cloudflare's connection attempt gets refused, which shows up as exactly this error. Either install a proper certificate on your server, or Cloudflare's free origin certificate works well for this too, or temporarily switch the mode to match what your server can actually support while you sort out the certificate. Finally, it's worth checking with your hosting provider directly to rule out rate limiting on their end. Some hosts automatically throttle or block a high volume of connections coming from the same source, and since all of Cloudflare's traffic looks like it's coming from a shared set of addresses, it can occasionally get caught by these automated protections even though nothing is actually wrong. So to recap, toggle your DNS record to gray to isolate whether the problem is your server or the connection to Cloudflare, restart your web server, or check its logs if it's genuinely down, whitelist Cloudflare's IP ranges in your firewall, confirm your SSL TLS mode matches what your server actually supports, and check with your host about rate limiting. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.